Alright, things are pretty messy here, but that's what kind of guy I am. But this is Arduino microcontroller. It's a 1280, I believe. I might be wrong. But it's a microcontroller. It's Arduino Mega. What I got it to do, and I did this a while back, but I just wanted to do this now. I got my Arduino hooked up to a parallax ping sensor, and that's that. And it's also hooked up to a servo. The servo is scanning the ping sensor around. For every time that light blinks, it's taking a measurement. Now this could be posted on top of your tent, on the front of your car, on the back of your car. You can post multiple ones. I have done 2 of them at the same time. That's why I got this one as well, because I have achieved 2 of them. But it'll give you a heads up on if something comes around your tent. No IR, that light can be covered up and nothing will ever know. And the cool thing about it is that you could be watching the readout on a laptop inside of your vehicle or your tent. And there's the Arduino reading. Sometimes it reads zeros, and I don't understand why it does that. But there's a measurement. It's going across my chest now. It's 16 and 17 inches. Goes to my chair, then finally shoots off to the wall. Actually, there's a lot of stuff that's around it, so. But it gives you all the different measurements. You can also set it to where you can set it to where if something comes within 5 feet of you, you can set it to 6 feet, 7 feet, 8 feet, 9, up to about 11. And if anything comes within that 11-foot range, it'll you can hook it up to a camera, as I have done, that will snap a picture. It'll tell the camera to snap a picture. If you can hook the camera up to another servo, it could be swinging around at the same time this one is and take a picture in that exact direction. Pretty cool. But it can also let you notify you without using a laptop with the simple LED lights once something comes in within 11 feet, 10 feet, or whatever you set it at. But I already know how to digitally trip a camera that wasn't meant to be digitally tripped. I hacked it with a program called CHDK. You can only do that with Canon cameras, and I hacked mine and my girlfriend's. Modded it actually. Here's a program on the Arduino which allows you to do this, and there's the setup. Pretty cool. There's a setup for the microcontroller to notice that everything's plugged into it, and then the program to run it. And this serial is being run to my computer via USB, and that's what you're getting right here. Turn down my radio there. And it's set to delay at 100 microseconds for every snapshot of measurement and every step of the servo, which is actually cool. Now that's where it prints to the USB port into the computer and reads off what it is. And right now it's actually set in inches. If something is less than 12 inches, then it'll turn on this LED high, and the LED setup is up here, which is this one. You can hook that to pin number 2 on the Arduino. Very simple. Takes some know-how, but you'll get, it's easy to understand. You'll have to understand quite a bit more, but at any rate, this right here tells you, or you program the microcontroller to tell the sensor at what distance to go around. I found out that 155 is the normal. I've already hacked one servo to go all the way around, and it acts like a motor that knows where it understands where it's at, which is pretty cool. But I'm going to be encasing that inside one of these, a cell phone box. They're airtight. Pretty cool. Could go up on top of my vehicle. And the cool thing about it is everything here is about, I would have to say, now on eBay you can get everything for like about 70 bucks. I take that back, because the parallax ping sensor is like 30 bucks a piece, so a little bit more, but very cool. But that's what I got. It does read pretty good. I'll put my hand right close to it. Boom, 2 inches. Take it away. There it goes. Back to the original. This thing's lightning quick. And no infrared. No infrared at all. This is pretty cool. Put my hand up close to it again. Pop. Take it away. Put it up. Take it away. And for some reason it stutters, and I don't understand why it's stuttering. I did a measurement of where it's saying 5 inches, and it was pointed at a direction, and it's actually at a flashlight, which I measured it, and it was 5 inches. As a matter of fact, I can show you that. Parallax sensor goes to the flashlight, 5 inches. Pretty cool. And it's going to be headed toward that right now. You can set this thing to go also lightning quick. There it is, picking up the flashlight. But you can set this to go lightning quick, way faster than what this is. But I think that speed and motion would give things, an animal away that something's moving. There goes a police chopper overhead, and I just missed out on what's going on. But pretty neat. It's the Arduino, the program that I hacked together. But there's a ping sensor, ultrasonic, pretty cool, along with the Arduino Mega. Now I do got another Arduino. It's hooked up to something else, and that's a set of lights. That's the Arduino Nano 2.0. 2.0? Yeah, I believe 2.0. It's got some pretty good power, but electricity wise it doesn't. You have to really watch what you're using. Most likely use relays for a bigger power source. But it's able to run simple sensors, give you readings. But pretty cool. Right now I got it hooked up to this digital display. So I was trying to make like a Predator type watch, but I found out that I would need better stuff. So that's what I'm working on. I actually done it already. It's just putting it together in a package, which would be pretty cool. Here it goes again. My hand's going to go up close to it. Boom, close to it. Away. Close. Away. And I believe it's stuttering now because it's hitting those distances, those measurements that are within 12 inches. Because the LED would be kicking on. So that's what you got.